Hi viewers, this class is based on noun phrase. So noun phrase also very important topic or essential in our English grammar topics. So before listening this class, if you anyone does not subscribe my channel, you please subscribe this. You have to watch entire video. If you have any doubts, you will put in comments. Thank you. Noun phrase, the various pre-modifiers that can be used in a noun phrase. So this one is such as some predeterminers or determiners. We call that predeterminers or determiners. So this noun phrase may typically function as the subject of the sentence. So first of all, any sentence we have to identify which is functioning. That means the subject and object. That object is either subject or indirect object, either direct object or indirect object. Direct object or indirect object means, for example, I have taken a book, right? I have taken a book. This is what is direct. This one is a book is direct. So two objects also there. For example, he gave me a book. He gave me a book. Here me is one of the object. A book is another object. So here a complement, either subject complement or object complement or an adjective. So all these are comes under noun phrase. The noun phrase in such cases is called object of a preposition or sometimes prepositional complement. So here the noun phrase, some cases, for example, prepositions or sometimes prepositional complements. This type also comes under this. The prepositional phrases which a noun phrase is a part will have function to perform in the whole sentence in which it occurs. So let us see that example. I visited Safari's house on several occasions. So I visited Safari houses on several occasions. Here, the noun phrase several occasions in the object of the preposition on, while the prepositional phrase on several occasions is an adjunct in the sentence. Okay friends, have you understood my words? So in the same way, a noun phrase is typically a group of words which a noun as a head, okay, with or without any words before and after the head. So these type of sentences also comes under noun phrase. So all these types we should remember, everything we should follow, whatever we have. So, and that is each noun phrase must have a noun and may or may not have any pre-modifiers and or post-modifiers also there. So all these are comes under the, for example, if I take a snakes, right? Snakes is a word. So this one noun, right? So noun phrase consisting only of a noun without any pre-modifiers or post-modifiers. Here snakes is there, but here any pre-modifiers or post-modifiers or before or later any modifications are not there. So in the same way, that is noun, just you should make you should say that snakes only, right? So this is also comes under noun phrase. And if you say that a poisonous snake, if I take one more example, a poisonous snake. So noun phrase consisting a noun and pre-modifiers. Pre-modifiers means, for example, first example I have taken snakes. Later example, a poisonous snakes. Poisonous snake, snake before a poisonous. This means pre-modifiers there. Okay. So this is also comes under noun phrase. Next, third example is Listen carefully. Snakes without venom అన్నట్టు. So, in this same way, noun phrase consisting of a noun and a post modifier. For example, snakes is a first word without venom, that is later words. So we call that a post modifiers. Post means later, pre means before. Okay, we should remember that. Next, a magic snakes, right? A majestic snake which W.H. Lawrence wrote about. So, if you take this sentence, noun phrase consisting of a noun with modifiers and a post modifiers. Here, pre-modifiers, what is that? The majestic, right? The majestic snake. Next, post modifiers means which D.H. Lawrence wrote about. So, all these things comes under, we call that noun phrase. So, a noun is an obligatory item in a noun phrase. So, these things we should remember. If you have any doubts, you put in comment box. You listen carefully. You listen everything. Some points I have written here, but some points I have dictated. So, please listen carefully. Thank you, one and all.